Welcome to the home of the outlaw. I'm your host, Philip. Let's review some chair mats. Many of you probably have a chair mat under your chair, no matter if it's in your office or at your home. A lot of times we're putting it on a carpet so then we can roll easily with our chair on it. Or sometimes we're trying to protect our wooden floors. I've had a plastic chair mat on my carpet in the office for over 15 years. I kept on replacing it every several years after it developed ruts. So here's how I arrived to this product that I'm going to be discussing right now. I kept on hearing these ads on news networks on the satellite radio as I'm driving around about this glass chair mat, that it is amazing and it is so sturdy you can use it on any surface and you just had to try it. So I looked it up. It is a great concept, but it is crazy expensive. So I figured I'm going to start looking for alternatives to see what else is out there on the market that can meet that kind of level of performance without losing any of its benefits. It really pays off researching different alternatives to any kind of product. If you're looking to purchase some kind of item that you want it to last for years, I usually look for the top tier and establish that as a base. Then I look at its functions and what it offers for that kind of price and what actually commands this level of price. Then I do a research on all these different other late adopters, as I would call them. And quite frequently you can find an almost identical item that is going to be way cheaper. The middle tier actually improves on the top product because it has a beveled edge. The rest of the parameters are all the same. It is all tempered glass and they are all very similar in thickness. The third option that I found, and the one that I actually ended up purchasing, it is identical to the item that is priced almost 3 times. The size of the glass is a little bit different than the other one. This glass surface is really soft to walk on. You can tell when your feet are getting submerged into the carpet. And it's the same exact thing with this glass. When you're walking on it, it actually has a lot of give as it absorbs into the carpet. I use this glass chair mat a lot while working at a standing desk. Check out the link for the review of this desk in the description below. If you're putting this glass down on a regular carpet, then you can put it just flat down and it's beautiful. If you're putting it on a hardwood floor, the manufacturer recommends that you use these legs. Even though this table came with a different mat that I can put on the floor, but really this glass on the carpet is soft enough for me to walk on. Now let's roll the chair back up. As you can see, it rolls on, no problem. There are no chips. It's a beveled edge, 1/4 inch. So now the chair is on, let's lower the disc. As you can see, I roll very easily and smoothly on it. Even if I roll off of it, definitely want to pick it up to bring it back on. There are no ruts to develop. I would never go back to plastic. The seating position, as you can see, the 50-inch, it's wide enough for me to move around, but if I did have a chance, I would definitely move to a bigger size. You might want to get as large of a size as possible to fit under your desk. I don't think it's worth saving the 20 bucks if you're planning to use this for years to come. And this is exactly what I did. I ended up upgrading to the largest piece of glass that I could fit under my desk. And this original piece of glass that's been on my floor for the last month, I'm gonna give it away to one of my good friends. He doesn't even know that it's coming yet. I know he works out of his bedroom and he constantly rolls his chair on the carpet. I'm pretty sure he'll love this thing. You know who you are, and you're getting this as a present. If you enjoyed this review, if you like this video, please hit subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified when the new videos come up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.